Here is an example for a Faraday's law, the guitar string. We have an interesting situation in a guitar string. When you consider the guitar string, the magnetized portion of the string will have a north and south pole couple. And when this is basically approaching a pickup coil or going away from the pickup coil has basically a magnet inside which provides a constant magnetic flux, but due to the presence of this portion of the string which approaches or goes away, the flux through this pickup coil changes, and therefore this creates an induced EMF. This induced EMF is picked up by an amplifier and will be creating sound waves. So when the guitar string vibrates, the changing magnetic flux through the pickup coil induces an EMF, and this induced electromotive force is sent to an amplifier to produce sound waves. So this potential difference is basically sensed by an amplifier, so that amplifies this signal and converts it to sound waves. That is basically proportional to the changing magnetic flux. So this is a direct application of Faraday's law.